What if I told you you'd be able to hire like a team of artists, motion graphic designers, editors, all for 50, 30, 10 bucks? It's Mboso from APPRENDRE-A-FILMER.com, and for the last 4 years we've been helping influencers and entrepreneurs use video to better connect to their audience. A common concern that we hear over and over and over from our audience is they don't know how to keep their videos visually interesting and engaging until the end. They know what it's like to watch a video and feel engaged, but when they go to reproduce that in their own videos, it's almost like trying to catch smoke. They can see the smoke there, and when they reach for it, nothing. That's a very frustrating feeling. I've been there, I know what it feels like, and maybe you have too. So if you've felt that and you've tried different things and you just can't figure out what is your video missing, what's that little element that you can add that will add a little bit of visual interest, then today's tip is for you. Imagine what it's gonna feel like when you finish your video. It's actually conveying the emotion and the energy, and it's engaging in the way that you want it to be. When you get that feeling, it's awesome, and I want to help you achieve it. The reason why most people don't get that feeling is because they fall into a trap where they think that they have to do everything themselves. Imagine if you were a CEO of a company, and as the CEO, would it make sense for you to also work in the cafeteria and to also work in human resources and to park cars and to take out the trash? No, it's ridiculous. Nothing would get done, and the little that did get done would be done very poorly. And I think this is the approach that too many people take when they're shooting their videos in the beginning. I mean, this is exactly what happened to me. What if I told you you'd be able to hire like a team of artists, motion graphic designers, editors, all for 50, 30, 10 bucks? You know, it sounds kind of like ludicrous, but it's a reality. What you need to do is use a template. What's a template? Well, a template is like this little package of greatness, of beauty that an artist or a designer has created for you to drop into your project the same way you would an image or a video or B-roll, and it adds dynamism while drawing attention to something specific in your message. This is the key point that I want to bring you to. When you're using a template, you have to know what is it that you want to communicate and use that template to focus on that point of communication. That's the key. I think too many people get seduced by like the flash and the beauty of the template. A template's used to draw attention to a specific part of your message, not to compensate for a lack of message. In the description below, I explain where to find some great templates you can use in your next project, and I give a brief description on what type of templates to look for and how to use them. That's the end of today's video, and if you found it useful, drop a like. And if you know anyone else who may find it useful, share it with them. This is Mboso with APPRENDRE-A-FILMER.com, and check out our PDF for more information on how to shoot videos fast.